I am Pedro Dirty Costello, 24 years of age. I live in Barangay Liberty, Palumpang Leyte, Power Plant 2F. The question is, regarding moral matters, relativism and absolutism are well-known adversaries. Is morality absolute or relative? Give a compelling arguments and understandable explanation of your response to this question. For me, morality is an absolute. Why? Because being a person who had a critical thinking and a deep understanding about a problems or situations, we should analyze first or understand the given question that being asked before we give answers or take actions into it. That's why morality is an absolute, because absolutism is the study of what is right and what is wrong and not relative or changeable.